Hi there, it's Jacob from ubisend, and today I'm just going to be running you through a few of the updates that we've made to the ubisend chatbot platform. Today's updates are basically to do with the kind of UI changes and a few UI tweaks that we've made here and there, and these are basically teaser updates because we've got a few really big updates planned in the near future, but I thought I'd show off a few of the changes we've made in the meantime. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is on the left side of the screen you can see the side nav. So currently the icons are quite chunky and the text and the font colours are quite bold, and it's just kind of, it looks quite nice. I mean, you can't really complain too much about it, but we thought we could make it a little bit prettier. So if I just now bring in the new sidebar, what you'll be able to see is everything's now kind of a little bit lighter, a little bit more compact, but still easy to use, as well as also kind of the icons are again a little bit crisper and a little bit cleaner. So just kind of a nice little tweak and a little change that we've done here to again just tease some of the bigger updates that we've got planned in the future. Obviously we didn't just stop at the sidebar. What I'm going to do is also just discuss with you the kind of overview of the conversation page. So this is just the page where you can see all the different conversations you have, and as you can see the pagination between different rows isn't the clearest. So what we've done is a nice little tweak here. If I just bring in the new style of conversations, as you can see it's all a little bit clearer, a little bit easier to see, and it's just a little bit nicer to use, and it's again every conversation's a little bit more spaced out. Now what I'm going to do is I'm quickly going to jump back to the old style of the platform again, and this time we're going to go into a conversation and actually look at the accordions, because we made a few quite big changes to the accordions, again just in terms of usability and just making things look nicer. So what you can see on my screen at the moment is the old accordions. They are pretty much functional and basically fine to use. You wouldn't really have too much of a problem, but if you're hovering over them you can't necessarily know that they're being able to be clicked apart from the little drop down arrow, and if you are a keyboard only user it's not as clear when you're tabbing through the different ones whereabouts your cursor is. So let me just quickly bring in the new accordions and I'll show you the changes. So what we've got here now is we've added a slight drop shadow to the accordions, so when you're hovering over them with your mouse it's clear which one you're hovering over, clear that they're clickable, and again if you are a keyboard only user and you are just tabbing through, it's really clear exactly where your cursor is and the accordion that you're going to be editing. So a few quite nice little tweaks and changes there, and as I did mention at the start of the video, we've got some huge updates planned that are really kind of going to take the ubisend platform and really just basically make it look beautiful, really easy to use, and still with the same power underneath the hood. So do stay tuned if you want to hear a few more of these updates. We'll be bringing them out in the next month or so. If not, thank you for watching for the time being, and we'll see you soon.